share.
Yeah,
Mamintio.
In Yakufi, about the issue of National Cathedral and the now the way it's there, by all means, it will end up like this. That is how I saw it. Abanje ejigina mu a odi nisika wura mu a no accountability because all the amanfo sika yi bibi dia. What I've been saying is a good cause when you dream that you want to build a cathedral, and to me making sure so build all the Christian community to that agenda. You should have given to the Christian community to just continue to some obey not on far abine in the room and they be a buying crabby room crown and they be a support to be now or dema because we share the idea of the national mosque now. Yana Muslim who say Omono they had the support from somewhere
87.9
because I'm a buying answer if a national chief imam and be on be true that no until cannot the same thing could have been done for the National Cathedral where the Christian community and the Christian council say oh president why idea would you be say then the Christian community will even handle and try to raise funds and government between support to that agenda. But whereby would they abide sika remuno, people will raise concern because we have different beliefs and different religion. So why are you putting much money into me who the accountability the real issue because then those who are traditionalists, those who are there, you know, they will raise concerns and everybody and wherever government money could be there should be an accountability. We should know where the money is coming from. Now acquire first why spend this kind and that is what has led to say some of the key Christian leaders free that committee free all because they suspect say accountability and that is right if you belong to a certain agenda and a project now let's say your man koso to say the koso na new GDA then probably you just give your reasons and leave. And that is what some of them are doing. And my concern is how will say project here because to say that Zube can say you say you know the government cannot even go in for commit money so this can be rem and son and abino and there's in case there's a change of government who will continue. And a Christian community for Nebeya and I say buying Nebeya and I say even what will be that vision and this is where project Nankasano foundation Ukrano mean to be a foundation be out because more to form there but meaning so much here drew some level be a bit me until now no the National Cathedral might be in limbo and I think the president should even I don't know how you can because only nyame could think it and I say only nyame ashe nyame bo na say intimi memu a maybe a kwan far so a na pese sa de ne bamu no me I thought if be a president viewer and say nka committee a lot of na aban sika because no betimi anya constant supply of money betimi within the shortest possible time na bi ankophobia because design in architecture in na sika ewrem or that in payment bi akoko so no is very very initially me ni akofide buy any say the project was not clearly outdoor ne kwan a because outdoor and say the Christian community now was in Kibia, this project nation Monsano, and to me, Massa, Ama, it has become say even not some Christian leaders cry president. She said the project need time, and we can a time and so after COVID, now is can be and the nation, some of these things have been done. Then it becomes so insensitive to say President Bayer say, you know, but in all, no. My concern now is how the project can be. Maybe I'm here, Christian, maybe say cathedral there. It will be much more very good for all of us. But me just on from a Christian community, not a Christian community for no.
NC on ade
NC on ade na bia or kwan am so be raise funds because here doso say share the number of Pentecostal ayifo na yin na no share vision with them say bia this is what me did say obi o give Bible dia or nyame dia said this project no the man
so be on
because some of these churches no project am is o call yikra na Pentecost center where here me call even the land no come develop is a quarter of it quarter land no mo nsa kan no is a quarter of it and how corner we shen your ma o maye o ha and they have a 25-seater conference you call no so they are going to open it to 50,000 and no my structure in such a way say we expansion easy o corner hostels o see executive rooms need the way my laying name more de quiet to no so it is a what dream one want to say and if a church one even a church as Pentecost can do this your Catholics your Presby or your Methodist me Jesus this project would not have been much problem to them see come in album yeah they are sure monsa it could not have been much problem for them to even not build this and the baby obi abeko say US will say Jerusalem will say obi abeko akopem moaba you see that they will put much effort and they will own the project and that will be good for all of us. You say abanye na say what the amount more is it a donation or you are just building it for it said the national mosque here omosi ewa cry the Muslims own it they will own it and defend it and protect it but is it usinad my year where na group be say me na me nka ho ya man ka ho me nka ho but when you give it to them that's omo ya obi a be make sure say even how to protect and make sure say sa project no ebetimi ayama resource e wo mu nyina beba me gidi say Christian Council e ka so mo ko World Bank akoji loan for this project can they give them and I Christian banks around the world if they want to go there for loans and then the Christian community band also maybe say no much arrangement me gidi say it's possible for this project to go on. It's unfortunate say I ended this and I see say the president need to come back and hand over the project to the Christian community and then also before that maybe so more accountability sky expanding come say and maybe if he has to apologize to Ghanaians for any year then you have to they will send nyame say nipa na fa so nipa so nyame ma niska no nim say nyame niska ko so nyame they say won wa say enam nipa so ye ni tua tax na enti maybe then he has it enti that is what I have for the National Cathedral
anyway second Samuel 7 how the edek
wa to ko peki de be si tu
o say abroad ohene no ko tena na himfie no e no ohene no say ade no no ti sida dan mu no onyankopon eti tent enti ono no ohene no oba ba be sida dan amanyame ene nyame soma Nathan so kwaka cho ohene ne se masoma no me soma ne hefazu wo sida ba me yi mu Israel for the baha me free tent mu na makọ tent maka kire mu bi se me ni ba bi da nyame asem ni o waka kire mu bi oni ba bi da nyame ka kire kufu ado se oni ba bi da e wo Ghana nyame ka kire ne se wasoma no enye me hia Ghana fo no enye bi ni Pentecost fo aso da nyame okom Methodist fo obi nyame okom Assemblies fo obi okom Central Mosque oko Buddha fo dem oko what you say eti nyame nsre wa dansie
na onu nyame na kodi nko
nyame na moto bie ne wa chance wa nwida ana moto bia nyame
na wose nyame ama da
tie oda ko se onu nyame no o sa de papa se a o de kwa awie ye pa